I say, big man thing. I'm not hide and talk this. Some people might say me chat too much. That's what me I say. But I not chat too much. So me I say, me I congratulate my team. That I'm a PMP team. Straight. Yeah. Because Venetia win our seat. Yeah. So me I say. And if there is more to come, we will know. See me. And I fight, we will fight for this. But if we forget it, we will get it. And if God says I swear it for go, I swear it for go. Anyway, I'm not come to talk about politics. Me, I say, yo, you see some girl, we know we can't do without woman. And the girl them on the wall. But in a Jamaican language, you call them girl. But you have some girl, I fuck some old man, now I get nothing. So me, I say, why you take your money and give them, you see me, and them a fuck a bag of man when I give them nothing. So me, I say, yeah, rich man will have it, and them a run down, but the rich man, them are not fool. You have some little poor man I took a 2 cent. Yet still them man a fool. You have some man when them have money then turn fool. Anyway, me only I say if you watch up with some of them wicked girl yeah. That's what me I say because some of them girl yeah, them just want your money. Them don't want you. You see me? Yeah man, them not want you. I just say money them want. And when them can get your money, that's all good. Them fuck a bag of man. You see how some girl look popped up and look mash up. You see me? All over the years, them a fuck a go and them not better. And you look at one way, humble yourself and step up the ladder one step at a time, not run on nothing. And you everybody come and eat and make up face pan. That's what me I say. But me I say, I know them get the pussy for fuck. Yeah, but fuck in an honorable way. Don't fuck in a waste matters way. But you know when you just done fuck your belly, your belly hungry and you want something to eat. That's what me I say. That me I talk about. Straight talk. That me I talk about. Me know me have my fault and you have your fault. Everybody have them fault. But you just have some girl, them a run down wealth. No love no there again, brother. A wealth them a run down. Chris car man, big house, money man. You see me? All man who have the dollars, them a run down. Me not really bad mind and me not ready nobody for what them a do. But me I say no love no there so. I just wealth. Them a run down. That's what me I say. Straight. That me I tell you. You see me? Money hard for work for you know. So some people can sell them body and get it. Or some boy make man a fuck them at them body. A fire burn for them. Fire burn for no blood clot or some girl. We make man a fuck them at their ass. It no right. Yeah. Pussy. If you take fucking and not body. You see what me I say? Yeah man, me tell you straight. Yeah, me go behind a woman, but I inna the pussy me go. Me not going on a body hole. A shit and fart come out of body waste. So me I say, how can a man fuck a woman in her body? And any woman love a man to fuck her in her body. That's not a good woman. That is a woman we are support homosexual. You see what me I say? Straight. Yeah, you used to live with that woman, but none of them can't tell us when I fuck none of them ass. Because I don't fuck woman body. Not at all. I don't deal with that. You see what me I say? I may be a freak. And a lot of people may say, yeah, that's wrong. Yeah, but a man do what them want do with them life. Still, but the body thing, brother, no. It's a no. You see me I say. Cause girl pum fat. Yeah, you hold on pan her ass, yes. And squeeze it and feel it up and feel up her pussy and her breast. No go fuck the ass. No, sir. Me fire burn any man that fuck girl body. No care how big her ass is. Why you going to the shit pit rasta? That means say that fuck a man that feel body. Me born all body man. Straight. Yeah, I mean I have no visa and no passport, so you can't ban me from going nowhere. Cause me not have the mind to go foreign. You see me I say? Me not have the foreign mind to go foreign. So fuck all that on way. I chat say, oh, I'm a born all them boys, they have to go look for passport and fuck them. In God I put my trust. You see me I say? I don't dwell in a Baptism. Yeah, I might dwell in other lines, but not the body thing, Rasta. I talk it straight. Not the body thing. I know my thing that. You see me might look like me old, but me not old. You see me? Me look good for me age, down. 37. What's up? How much people live pussy 37? Me have to thank God for 37 years old. You see me? In spite of the roughness and the storm and the hurricane I'm go through. I'm not enough out that I go through the same thing. But when me I say, yo, big up the girl them I love fucking of them. They love take fucking of them pussy. See me? Which we call vagina. Bun the batty boy them. Enough girl take fucking of them batty, you know. And I talk about them pussy good when them pussy not good, you know. Straight. That me I say, yeah. One heap of them are a pirate bad man I take fucking all them batty. Man I fuck them all them batty and I write this so the girl them say them want it. Some girl are dirty girl, let me I say some girl are nasty girl. Fire burn you know. Fire burn some boy that gonna batty wall. Straight. I miss that. One done. Me no fuck batty, me no dwell in a batty. Shit come out of batty, fart come out of batty, waste come out of batty. How you go in a batty? Fire burn a batty boy. Straight. Don't chat.